would be how many registrants that we already received. We have received around almost 190 participants for the running tomorrow. We keep 10 just in case there are more. But yes, we will have approximately 200, maybe more, we don't know. But we keep it 200 because this is from the OCA levels is 200. Yes. Second question, why sunset? Because Bali is beautiful for its sunset, that is why. We would like to showcase the beautiful Bali, and so the participant will enjoy running on the beach. So the running route will have mix of asphalt and also beach sand running. So there's no specific reason behind it, rather than we want people to enjoy the beautiful Bali. So thank you.